start with the name of the God. So the newbies, they don't know, new agents, new broker, they don't know what is real estate. And someone coming from the country, from the outside the country, they don't know what is real estate. So that is our job, because I'm working in this industry more than 10 years. So that's my job, to tell them how to start working in real estate. And everyone is running for money. So no one have time, and no one is trying to train the people also. And this is also they're right, they're not wrong about that. Because you train the people, and after that, okay, I'm going for the big company, I'm going for this company, I'm going for this company. Because small money came, and then you think, oh, like this. So if someone give you the training free of cost, first of all, I'm giving training free of cost. I'm not charging money to them. So I train more than 20 people in my company. So, and alhamdulillah, everyone earning good money. So this is the good thing, because I'm doing, and then I start the video for the new people, how they can start working in the real estate. And stay tuned for my video, and you will get more information and the authentic video that how to start working in the real estate. Stay tuned.